Welcome to ledlight.com. This is product number 87089, a solder less bottom cap for E26 Solder Less copper cap. Designed to work in tandem with product number 87698. No special tools needed, and no need to deal with a soldering iron. Saves you time and hassle by simply plugging the bottom with this cap, instead of needing to solder it in place. Be sure to like and share this video, and subscribe today for more ledlight.com news. Thanks for watching.